The idea for the extension was to blend into the existing garden as much as possible. So it's clad in a rough sawn timber. Those battens provide not only privacy from the street, but they provide a structure for the rooftop garden to spill over and grow along. I'm Tim Smith, architect, builder and director of BRD Studio. We're here today on our Hillview House, which is a renovation and addition project to a central Albury post-war double brick home. The clients came to us with a dark, older house, a heritage house in a heritage area. The way that the house was built in the 40s was not, congruent with how they live their life now and modern patterns of life. They really wanted a bright, light house that connected with their existing garden. We achieved that by moving the kitchen in the house out onto the north side, moving the dining out onto the north side of the house, and creating a new pergola which allowed the clients this space to interact with their garden, to connect with the outdoors and to host and socialise with not only themselves but with family and friends as well. With any renovation, there was a lot of demolition that went on in this house. We removed a large section of wall to connect with the backyard. Where possible, we cleaned those bricks. We reused those bricks, and some of those bricks were reused in the garden, in the landscaping. One of the sustainability goals of the renovation was to remove gas from the site, so everything was replaced with electric, so it's now an all-electric home. Renovating gave us a great chance to put high levels of insulation in the home, and the rooftop garden provides even further insulation on top of that. The new spaces are quality and thoughtful without being excessive. The space is still multi-purpose. If you wanted to, you could take this dining table out, flip it around and have big social gatherings in this space. It's large enough, but it's still small enough for family day-to-day life. The result, we think, is a home that provides for the realities of modern life, the mess of modern life, and also connects with its environment, surrounding environment, and the surrounding historical context. That's about it. That's good. Do you like it in your house?
Yeah.
There we go. Got it.